Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to add images to your Google Jamboard frames. If you go to the toolbar on the left, the icon with the little mountains in it is the Add Image icon. If we click on that, we will have options to either upload, link, capture an image with our webcam, search Google Images, search Google Drive, or use Google Photos. I'm going to use Google Photos here. Just pick whichever one you want, find it, click on it, and I'm going to add that to this Jamboard. And now I have the image on my Jamboard. Notice that the image, if I swing it off to the side, I'm going to lose some of it. Whatever isn't directly in the frame will not be visible. All right, so if I add this image to the frame, notice it kind of looks like I can manipulate this. I can grab it by this little rotator up here and angle it. I can enlarge it by clicking on either this or this. And if I click on the little snowman menu, I can either duplicate this or delete it, or if I have another image or other object on the screen, I can change the order, and that would affect how the images would appear if their location were somehow involved one image being on top of another for some portion. And that is how you can add images to Jamboard frames.